So I've had my StudyPool account for 3 years now, and today we're going to be checking on whether if they still work, on what it looks like basically. So to do that, we're going to go to answer questions right here. But again, I didn't even answer any questions, right? I just created this particular account just for YouTube's sake, right? So I haven't really worked on this. I just tried to answer one question, but to tell you the truth, it wasn't actually what I can say. It wasn't something that I was willing to invest my time in. So as you can see, there are still people that post work here. As you can see, this person, they just posted work like for physics. The budget's $4 and the time 30 days. The bids, you can see they're about like 39. So a lot of people still work, right? Still do projects, take projects on StudyPool. It's part of the teaching. But for me, I don't think this thing is worth it. If you ask me, these bids are just too much, right? You spend a lot of time bidding, so which means you ought to have like a phone out already bidding on questions and stuff. So I think if you are actually desperate for work, yeah, StudyPool might be something that you can do. But for me, no. So this is what it is, guys. Some of these badges, if you can see here, they're kind of different badges, right? If you're good in science, you get these badges. So you can see all this. So if a student wants to post a question on StudyPool, they have to select like what kind of a teacher or tutor are they looking for. And so they indicate by that like the priority should be given to teachers with this badge. So as you can see, the bids are piling already, and this question was just posted a couple of seconds ago. So this thing is not worth it, guys. Really, it's not worth it. So I think before I cut or end this video, let's go to sell documents. I haven't really made anything, not much, right? So this is the 22 overview, guys. I think I've made enough videos about StudyPool, many videos already, but this is just to check in and see how the platform is doing and if it's still working, if there's still jobs for those that are still asking if StudyPool is something that they want to do. As you can see, there is nothing, right? There's nothing literally. Go to the bank balance. I think it's still the $5 that I had 2 years back, and still there. This is the not bank. Then my balance, still the same thing. As I said, like I don't have any intention to work on this platform in any kind of way. So this is it. So as you can see, I got this kind of like income. Then I applied for a project which I didn't do, and the money was refunded. So yeah, it's actually a legit platform that you can actually work on, but not worth it in my opinion. I don't think this is actually worth your time. You can try the platforms, but not StudyPool. So guys, I think that will be it about StudyPool. And again, thank you for watching this video. And until then, see you on the next one.